Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal. As a teacher, representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajada. Student, today I am taking the numericals of the chapter number 3, motion in the straight line, class 11 physics, numerical section. The first numerical, a car. Let we consider any moving object. Let we consider any moving object known as car for the numerical. Numerical that means another type of the word problem. जैसा कि आपने क्लास 10 में मैथमेटिक्स में देखा होगा वर्ड प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल ठीक वैसा ही न्यूमेरिकल होता है। इसके बारे में आप थोड़ा डरिएगा नहीं। अ कार ट्रेवल फ्रॉम अ सिटी ए टू बी। लेट बी कंसिडर अ एनी डायग्राम capital A and capital B. What is the meaning of the capital A and capital B? Capital A and capital B are two cities with the speed 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड रिटर्न बैक टू अ सिटी। मान लीजिए कोई एक कार है जो A से B पर, देखिए 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से A से B पर और फिर रिटर्न फ्रॉम B टू A। रिटर्न फ्रॉम बी टू ए, रिटर्न बैक दैट मीन्स ए से बी पे जा रही है और फिर बी से ए पे जा रही है विद द स्पीड ऑफ 50 किलोमीटर। दैट मीन्स जब ए से बी की ओर जा रही है इन दिस डायरेक्शन द स्पीड विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर, और इस डायरेक्शन में फ्रॉम बी टू ए स्पीड विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर। I hope student you getting the proper meaning of the 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड 50 किलोमीटर। ए से बी की ओर जा रही है तो डिस्टेंस इसकी स्पीड है 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर और बी टू ए डिस्टेंस विल बी इक्वल स्पीड विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर। What is the average speed? We have to find the average speed. What is the formula of speed? Speed that means average speed, that means total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. As you know that time will be equal of distance by speed, so speed will be equal of distance by time. Student, we have to calculate first one thing average speed first and second average velocity. What is the basic difference between the speed and velocity? Speed that means a scalar quantity and velocity that means a vector quantity. In the case of average velocity, same thing is there but different form. Here I told distance and here are total displacement by total time. Student, in the case of speed formula will be equal total distance and total time, and here average velocity will be equal of distance convert into the form of displacement and total time. Now take it to calculate the total time, that means distance by speed. We need a speed. Let a distance between A and B will be equal of small x kilometer. How much? X kilometer. Let solution, student, let distance between city capital A and capital B will be equal of x kilometer. So time taken from A to B, पहले मैं क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ फ्रॉम A to B. What is the definition of the time? Time equal to distance, that means the x speed will be equal of 40. Now student, another time taken from B to A will be equal of B to A to B will be equal of x, such that B to A also equal to x, and speed will be equal of 50. I hope student you getting the meaning of the time, different time on the basis of the different speed, time from A to B, from B to A. A to B, that means x by 40, and B to A, that means x by 50. Now we calculate the average speed will be equal of total distance. What is the mean of the total distance? Distance from A to B and B to A. That means x plus x will be equal of 2x, and total time, that means time x by 40, x by 50. Student, 2x will be equivalent of we getting the common between these, then we getting 1 by 40 plus 1 by 50. X will be cancelled by x, then average speed equal to 2 by 1 by 40 plus 1 by 50, we getting the LCM, then we getting 50 plus 40 whole by 5 4 are 20 00. So 2 into 2000 upon में 5 plus 4 will be equal of 9 and 0, then 9 400 by 9. So लगभग equal to 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. आई होप स्टूडेंट यू गेटिंग. ध्यान से देखेंगे, मैंने यहाँ पर पुट करा है 2x अपॉन x by 40. टोटल टाइम, दैट मीन्स टाइम कवर्ड फ्रॉम A to B एंड टाइम टेकन फ्रॉम B to A. टोटल दैट मीन्स दोनों को प्लस करा. एलसीएम 4 और 5, दैट मीन्स 5 इंटू दिस एंड 4 इंटू दिस एंड 4 by 5. ये एलसीएम लिया. 50 प्लस 40 विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 90 और ये जाएगा ऊपर. देन 0 से 0 कैंसल. 200 इंटू 2 विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 400. 400 डिवाइड बाय 9. 9 को मैं लगभग 10 जैसा समझूं तो मेरा आंसर लगभग कितना होगा? 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. दैट इज अ फाइनल रिजल्ट to related average speed. Now second part of the question, what will be the average velocity? What is the definition of the velocity? Velocity, that means a displacement by time. What is the mean of the displacement? Student ध्यान से देखेंगे, हम A से B पर जा रहे हैं और B से वापस से A पर आ रहे हैं, मतलब displacement will be equal of 0. Student here displacement will be equal of 0 because ठीक है, we getting from A to B and B to A, मतलब हमारा इनिशियल और फाइनल पॉइंट क्या हो गया? सेम हो गया. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 0. नाउ 0 by x by 40 plus x by 50, 0 by anything will be equal of 0 and velocity will be equal of 0 kilometer per hour. I hope you getting the proper solution related to first and second. What is the demand of question? हमको क्वेश्चन में ये बोला है कि मान लीजिए कोई कार है जो A से B पर और B से A पर आ रही है. जब A से B पर जा रही है तो स्पीड कितनी है? 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर, और B से A पर आ रही है तो स्पीड कितनी है? 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एवरेज स्पीड दैट मीन्स अ टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम x by 40, x by 50. एलसीएम लिया हमने यहाँ पर, आपको दिख रहा है x से x कैंसिल हो गया. देन वी गेटिंग 2 by 1 by 40 plus 1 by 50. देन वी गेटिंग एलसीएम 50 into 40. ठीक है, 50 plus 40 will be equal of 90 and finally 2 into this will be equal of 400. लगभग आपका आंसर आएगा 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. नाउ वी टेक द सेकेंड पार्ट, average velocity. What is the mean of the velocity? Velocity, that means a vector quantity, but in the case A to B and B to A, total displacement will be equal of 0 and 0 by anything will be equal of 0. I hope you getting the proper solution. Student, now we taking the second numerical of the chapter number 3rd. A body describe 45 meter in 8th second with the uniform acceleration of rest. What is the mean of this sentence? मान लीजिए कोई एक पर्टिकुलर मशीन है, that means साइकिल, मोटर, एनीथिंग, ठीक है, वो 45 मीटर, हाउ मच 45 मीटर, दैट मीन्स अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 45 मीटर एट अ टाइम, जबकि वहां पे टाइम दैट मीन्स टी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ एट सेकेंड। मुझे ये सारी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा यूनिट बताना है। तो यहाँ पर मुझे मिला डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मीटर एंड टाइम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेकेंड in a uniform acceleration of rest, then find its acceleration. We have to find the value of a. Student, we know that about the first equation of motion, v equal to u plus at. Second equation of motion, s equal to ut plus half at square. And third equation of motion, v square will be equal of u square plus 2as. Student, ध्यान से देखिए, सर हमारे को किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कौन सी इक्वेशन पुट करना है ये कैसे समझ आता है, थोड़ा सोचिएगा। इन द केस ऑफ द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, इन द केस ऑफ सेकेंड इक्वेशन, मुझे यहाँ पर एक वर्ड दिया हुआ है एस, दूसरा वर्ड है टी और तीसरा वर्ड है ए। तो ये तीनों वर्ड कौन सी इक्वेशन में मैच हो रहे, सेकेंड और थर्ड में। Then we choose any equation from the second or third. We have to calculate the value of acceleration. In the case of the equation number first, v equal to u plus at. यहाँ पर s है क्या, नहीं है, मतलब मैं इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट नहीं कर सकता हूँ। स्टूडेंट, वन मोर टाइम, a body describe 45 meter, that means a representative of displacement or distance. So according to the question given that is equal to 45 meter and 8 second, that means a SI unit of time, such that t equal to 8 second, and uniform acceleration, uniform, that means a initial velocity will be equal of 0 at a condition of rest, and we have to find the value of acceleration. Student, by second equation of motion, by second equation of motion, we know that about the s equal to ut plus half at square. What is the mean of the s? As that means our displacement or distance will be equal of 45 u, that means initial velocity will be equal of 0, and t, that means 8 plus 1 by 2a. We have to calculate the value of a. So a is a variable and t will be equal of 8. Student, here 45 remains constant, 0 into anything will be equal of 0. Then 1 by 2 into a into 8 into 8. 2 cancel by 8 will be equal of 4, such that we getting the value 4 into 8, 8 into 4, 32a. I hope you getting 45 will be equal of 32a, such that the value of a will be equal of 45 by 32. Student, s equal to ut plus half at square. U will be equal of 0, 0 into anything will be equal of 0. 1 by 2 a, t square, that means 8 square, 8 square, 8 into 8, 2 cancel by 8, then we getting the 4, 4 8 are 32. This is the product of a, so 45 by 32 will be equal of a. Now 45 divide by 32, 32 1 जा 32, ये 3 बचा और ये कितना बचा, then we consider the point. देखिए, अगर जो मैं 4 टाइम्स दूंगा तो कितना हो जाएगा, 120, 128. सो वी गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ ए लगभग बराबर है 1.4, एंड SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. We have to check meter, that means meter, second तो second. कभी से भी क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पर यूनिट चेंज रहेगी, दैट मीन्स यहाँ किलोमीटर रहेगा तो मुझे आंसर में भी क्या लिखना पड़ेगा, किलोमीटर में. बट टुडे वी टेक द एसआई यूनिट विल बी इक्वल ऑफ मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. आई होप यू गेटिंग द प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन related to question number second. I repeat, s equal to s will be equal of 45 meter and time will be equal of 8 second. In the case of the uniform, the velocity will be equal of 0. We have to find the value of acceleration, that means a. So by the second equation of motion, s equal to ut plus half 8 square, u that means 0 into 8, 1 by 2, a into 8 square, 8 8 ja 8 into 8, so 2 cancel by 8 will be equivalent of 4, 4 into 8 will be equal of 32, so a will be equal of 1.4 meter per second square. Student, now we are taking the another question. A body obtained a velocity of 10 meter per second velocity, that means पहले पूरा क्वेश्चन समझ लेता है. A body obtained the velocity of 10 meter per second in 3 second. मतलब जैसे मैंने गाड़ी को स्टार्ट करा, within the 3 second velocity will be equal of 3 meter per second from rest. Find its acceleration. We have to calculate the value of acceleration, that means a equal to question mark when v velocity will be equal of 10 meter per second and time will be equal of 3 second. Student, by equation of motion v equal to u plus at. By first equation of motion, why we select a first equation of motion? In the case of the second equation of motion, we required the value of s. Yes or no? In the third equation, v square equal to u square plus 2s. Again, we require the value of s. But in the case of the first equation, v will be equal of u plus at. Here, a relation between the v and t. मतलब मुझे जो क्वेश्चन में क्वांटिटीज दी है उससे देखते हुए मुझे इक्वेशन पुट करना है. v will be equal of u plus at such that the value of v will be equal of 10 and the value of u the condition of rest from the rest, that means the initial velocity will be equal of 0 such that u equal to 0. A, we have to find the value of a and t will be equal of 3 seconds such that student 10 will be equal of 3 into a, that means 3a. Now this is a product, so we are taking 10 by 3 equal to a such that a equal to 10 by 3 will be equivalent of 3.33333. So a will be equal of 3.33. The SI unit of velocity will be equal of meter per second. So SI unit of acceleration will be equal of meter per second square. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to third numerical. We have to find the value of acceleration such that acceleration will be equal of 3.33 meter per second square. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajada. Student, please like and subscribe and also study from our channel.